For my prototype, I decided to address Springboard digital assessments. Springboard is the curriculum that we use at Franklin Parish High School for mathematics classes, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Geometry, and Advanced Math. And one of the underutilized things that are in the Springboard curriculum are the digital assessments. Students have access to digital versions of the textbook. Also, teachers can assign assessments of different types, end of lesson assignments, assessments, excuse me, and end of lesson assessments, as well as end of unit assessments through Springboard's website in conjunction with Google Classroom. Um, this is something that was a little bit glitchy in the past years due to some problems with our internet servers and such. A limited amount of IP addresses, I believe, was the issue on campus, which has now been addressed. So it was good timing for us to for me to talk about addressing this particular um, issue. I believe also that this is meant to be something long term since teachers have had some struggles with the Springboard digital assessments in the past. There is that failure problem that I've noticed in previous interviews and through the analysis of the teacher surveys. So, by addressing something that teachers have failed at or had problems with in the past, I believe that we could build confidence in further use of technology. Also, since Springboard is the required curriculum for us to use, and they have included assessments, I believe it's a good idea to use what's included. This is meant to be usually the lesson assessments are meant to be something akin to exit tickets. Unit assessments could be actually given as a test. It's not given often enough to be the only type of testing in the classroom, but it is an idea for testing the classroom. So had a number of reasons for doing this. First off, I think it's something that we should be using because of the curriculum that we're required to use, and it's a facet of the curriculum. I believe that addressing this particular topic, the Springboard digital assessments, I believe will build confidence for further use of technology in the classroom. And we now have the infrastructure to support the use of these Springboard digital assessments, at least better than we have in the past. So I thought that this would be a great time to address this idea. And it also addresses the ISTE standard, where our teachers will um, reflect on the effectiveness of the technology, hopefully, and decide that it was worthwhile using after all is said and done.